So grab 15mm and maybe extension if that helps, and loosen this bolt. So what you want to do is lightly pry it so you don't mess anything up.
Do it a little bit so everything leaks out and then do it again.
Once everything's pretty much leaked, just a little bit left, slowly pry it. That should take off the most of it. Yep. And then next thing what you want to do is clean this off with the scuffing lightly and put new gasket, put it back together. What you want to do is scuff it, wipe it and scuff it, make sure it's straight and it doesn't go inside the hole too much. Maybe you can put something in there inside the hole, as long as it doesn't fall in there, just like this. Make sure it doesn't fall in there. And same thing with the other hole, make sure it doesn't fall in, just like this, and just scuff it lightly. If you have something plastic, you use plastic so it's more flat. Once you clean it up, wipe it with the rag, wipe it inside, make sure nothing is inside. From inside out. Grab some coolant and make sure it's wet. Wipe it really good so it gets all the dust out. Grab the dry one, wipe it, take everything off from inside, and then you're almost ready to install a new one. What you want to do is grab 3/4, change the sensor. Maybe it's slightly smaller. When I grab 3/4, looks kind of like it fits. Put it on the new one now. Do first hand tight and then use, I'm using 3/4, but it might be a slightly too big. I'm not sure. I probably would tighten just almost all the way and then see how it goes over there. Once you put it all the way on, then tighten it once it's on there. Just tighten until it stops, until it gets really tight. Should be facing, I believe, this way. So what you want to do is grab 13mm, take this part out, thermostat. I'm putting a new one, but I still need this piece. There you go. Clean this area up and put it on that one. before you work on a new one, transfer all the bolts to this one. That way you can work on this one, then slowly put them in. Make sure put them where they belong.
One more one. There we go.
Thermostat, so it goes in here, and just like this. And then make sure, put this up, make sure you clean it pretty good. Make sure it's clean. Put this up. Lightly go both sides.
Left and goes left.
So what you want to do is put the gasket, take it out. Nice and ready to put it back in place. Make sure it doesn't fall off. Make sure you push it in. Make sure the gasket doesn't get loose when you put it in. So what you want to do is just like this.
Double check. Make sure the gasket didn't come off. It should stay in there. Check it from the bottom too.
Get another bolt. Once gasket's there, you got it, and then you can put all of them in. So what you want to do is just slightly tighten 1, 2, 3 by hand, back and forth, all of them. Do like a star, crisscross.
Use the hand tightly. Go back here.
Once you got them all hand tight, what you want to do is slowly do like a star. First, let's see, lightly here, and do like cross. Opposite side, kind of like a star.
Slowly tighten it.
And once all of them snug, same thing, tighten them cross so it's tight. Once all of them snug, tighten them. One here, one here. And once it's all tight, just double check them. I think there's 12. Just check them all. Don't tighten this one, because you have to put this on later. So wrap this. Let's put it on right in here.
With the bolts in, grab 5/8. Put this back in.
Use 13 for this one, and also for this one as well. Plug this in. Till it clicks, and then push the red in. Plug in all the hoses. Start with the big one on the bottom.